my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video because we're going to do an unboxing of a Hermes perfume, Twilly. Now Twilly, I believe, was released in 2017, so it is an older fragrance. However, it is one of their best sellers and one of the most or highly recommended perfumes to try from the House of Hermes fragrance house. So without further ado, if you're interested in seeing how this perfume is unboxed and my first reactions, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Okay, my loves, so thank you all for hanging out with me, sticking around for me, and doing this unboxing with me. Now, if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. It is always my pleasure to have you here. If you're new, what up though? My name is Amanda, and we talk about hair, beauty, fashion, lifestyle topics here on this channel. Now, I've recently started a fragrance series where I talk about my scent of the day, scent of the night, affordable fragrances versus designer fragrances, and everything in between. Because for those that don't know, I am a girl who likes to smell good. So fragrance, perfumes, oils, body creams, body lotions, you name it, as long as it smells good and it doesn't negatively interact with my skin, I'm all here for it, baby. So let's jump into it. Now, I did buy this or purchase this from Hermes.com, their website. It does mention on there when you buy a fragrance that it will not be packaged in their iconic orange box, which is a bit disappointing because I feel like any products purchased from Hermes should be packaged in that signature orange box. But that's just me, to each their own. So here we go. Let's see how we're gonna. So I think it's from here. Is it? Okay, so it is a bit challenging to open this box. So I'm just gonna, oh my god, I'm gonna break through like that. So here's that side. See? Okay, get rid of that. It does have all this tissue paper. Oh my god. And okay, so we get a nice little receipt here that says Hermes on there, as you can see, the little receipt or whatnot. Okay, and here is the actual fragrance, Twilly de Hermes. Ew, if she is packaged beautifully. Check that out. So go ahead and stick in here. Okay, now this is exciting. This is my favorite part. So we do get some of that iconic orange there. Let's see. Oh, she's cute. So let's read what this is. This is Twilly de Hermes Eau de Parfum, 3 ml, 1 fluid ounce, and this retails for $79. So with tax and all that, it came to $84, and it did include free overnight delivery because I did order this yesterday and it's at my door today by 2:45 p.m. So bottle is really cute, has that little hat on there with this little scarf that Hermes is known for, right? Their scarves. Pop this up. Oh my goodness. Now let's do our first whiff test. Now this is exciting, guys. So this is a high-end designer fragrance house. Okay, Hermes, we all know Hermes is, you know, up there in luxury. Now the bottle does feel nice. Doesn't feel like glass. Well, maybe it is, or like a high quality plastic maybe. Okay, now what drew me to this scent was the ginger note. I have tons of fragrances and I am a fragrance lover, period. But I have never smelled a fragrance with a ginger note. So that's what drew me to this fragrance. I was like, oh, ginger, I wonder how that smells. So we're gonna go ahead. Let's just do one here. Oh, it smells good. It really smells good. You know what it smells like to me, guys? It smells like fabric softener. That's what it smells like to me. Like a real clean, crisp, like your laundry is just freshly done, like powdery, like laundry detergent. No lie. But in the most luxurious way, of course. Like, oh yeah, this smells really nice. This is definitely one that I am totally happy that I purchased. Happy with the packaging and the product, and the shipping and delivery was quite on point, being overnight. So yeah, Twilly, they're Hermes, guys. Retail price $79, 1 ounce, from the Hermes.com website. Questions, comments, or concerns, excuse me, please do chime in down below. I am totally curious. Is this one of your favorite scents? Is this one that you've tried? And if not, would you try it? Chime in down below and let me know. I smell like a freshly washed pile of laundry. I don't know, that's what it smells like to me. So my 2 cents. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please go ahead and like this video if you enjoy this type of content. Please share with another perfume lover. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I have all those details down below, honey. And y'all know what to do. Until next time.